Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in H&R Block account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. H&R was founded with understanding that taxes are more than just numbers on papers. To log in H&R Block account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.hrblock.com, then press on enter. With that you'll be taken to HR Block's website. Now here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on sign in. Then now here you need to first enter your username or your email or your mobile number on the given box. After entering your username or your email address or your mobile phone number, click on continue at down. With that, you'll be guided to another page where you need to enter your password of your account. Make sure you enter the correct password. With that, you'll be able to log into your HR Block account. This is how we can log into our H&R account on our PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.